Hello dear students, I'm Bhavna Tiwari from DPS Azari Lamachur. Again welcome you in your next video of coordinate geometry exercise 7.4. So in this video we are going to start question number 6, and the question number 6 is you are given a triangle ABC whose coordinates are given to you 4, 6, 1, 5 and 7, 2. Okay. So now the vertices of triangle ABC are 4, 6, 1, 5 and 7, 2. A line is drawn to intersect sides AB and AC. A line is drawn to intersect side AB and AC at point D and E respectively. So one line is there. So there are 2 points D and E at point AB and AC. So a line is drawn which intersect this side and this side at point D and E, such that you are given AD upon AB is equals to AE upon AC is 1 upon 4. So what you have to find very first, calculate the area of triangle ADE. You have to find the area of this triangle and compare it with the area of ABC. So and then you have to compare it. Compare it means कि आपको ratio निकालना है. That means ADE upon area of ABC. Okay. This you have to find. So very first let us start. What you are given? AD upon AB. AD upon this full side AB. So what you want? AD upon DB. If anyhow we can get AD upon DB, so we will get some ratio here, so we can find easily the coordinates of point D and E, because we want the area of this triangle and we don't know the area coordinates of D and E points. So very first we want to find the coordinate of point D and E. So for finding the coordinate of D and E, we will take the help of this equation which is given to us. But in this we are given AD upon AB, AD upon AB. So I want AD upon DB. Okay, so we want the ratio of these two. Then only we will find when m1x2 plus m2x1, by that formula we will find the coordinate of D point. Okay, so let us start. Very first we will take this one. Solution. So I am writing what is given to you. AD upon AB is equals to AE upon AC is equals to 1 upon 4. This is given to you. Now AD we want, but we don't want AB. हमें AB को चेंज करना है. AB की जगह क्या लाना है? DB. तो जिसको चेंज करना होता है उसको क्या करते हैं? न्यूमरेटर में सेंड कर देते हैं. ओके, सेम वे वी वांट AE अपॉन AC तो नहीं चाहिए. AE अपॉन EC वी वांट. तो AE वी वांट बट AC वी डोंट वांट. तो AC को भी हम क्या करेंगे? न्यूमरेटर में चेंज कर देंगे. सो व्हाट विल दैट? Whole equation ko we will get reversing the equation. Okay, so what we will get? AD upon AB upon AD is equals to AC upon AE is equals to 4 upon 1. So we have reversed the equation, reversing the equation. Okay, so we got this. So already I told you, whatever we have to change, we have to always take it in a numerator. So now AB से अब क्या लाना है? DB. तो AB में से अगर AD माइनस कर देंगे तो we will get DB. Same way AC से हमें क्या लाना है? EC लाना है. तो AC में से AE माइनस कर देंगे तो we will get EC easily. So now let us start. What we'll do? We can subtract one both the side and the in equations. Okay, subtracting 1. So what we'll get? AB upon AD minus 1 is equals to AC upon AE minus 1 is 4 upon 1 minus 1. So this will become 3. So AB minus AD. Take the LCM. So what we'll get? AB minus AD upon AD. AB minus AD upon AD is equals to AC minus AE upon AE is equals to 3. So now AB minus AD, AB minus AD, which will become DB. Okay, so we will get DB upon AD is equals to AC minus AE. AC minus AE, we will get EC. Okay, so EC upon AE is equals to now 3. So now we got the ratio AD upon DB. So that means what we want, AD upon DB. Again you can reverse the equation. So therefore AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC is equals to 1 upon 3, 1 ratio 3. So look at here, AD upon DB. AD upon DB is 1 ratio 3. So that means AD is in 1 ratio and DB is in 3 ratio. Okay, तो ये 1 ratio 3 में divide कर रहा है. Same way AE upon EC. AE 1 part 1 ratio upon EC 3 ratio. So we got the ratio now. Okay, so that means in this line we got M1 M2. Okay, and x1 y1 x2 y2. So we can find easily the coordinate of D point. Same way here also AC, in between a line is dividing any line in any section. By section formula we can find a formula. So this also we can find. So let us start first finding the coordinate of point D. So let us start, but let us find the coordinate of D very first. So by section formula, coordinates of point D. Okay, so the coordinate of point D, how we will find? By section formula. Okay, so by section formula. Now you know the section formula. What is the coordinate? X. M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. So these are the coordinate of x-axis, x coordinate. So therefore what will be the x of point D? M1. This is M1, this is M2. So 1 into, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. M into x2, 1 plus M2 into x1 divided by M1 plus M2. So you will get 1 plus 4 3s are 12. 13 upon 4. So the x coordinate of this is 13 upon 4. Now same way you can find the y coordinate of this. So what will be the y coordinate? Same way M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. So same way M2 y2 plus M2 y1 whole divided by M1 plus M2. So therefore what is the y coordinate of point D? M1 y2 5 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. So 1 5 is a 5, 6 3 is a 18. 18 plus 5, 23. So we get 23 upon 4. So we got 23 upon 4. So similarly we can find the coordinate of point E also. Okay. So we will write similarly coordinate of point E. So very first I am finding the x coordinate. M1 1, x2 plus M2 x1 whole divided by M1 plus M2 1 plus 3. So now what we'll get? 7, 6 is 18. 18 plus 7, 25. So we will get the coordinate of this one. So let us calculate this one. So the x coordinate is, what you will get? 1 7 is 7 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. So 19 upon 4. So this will be our x coordinate of this one. Okay. So now same way we can find the y coordinate. So what is the y coordinate? Let us see. So y coordinate will be, y coordinate is equals to M1 by 2, 1 into 2 plus 3 into 6 divided by 1 plus 2, that means 2 plus 18 divided by 3, 20 upon 3. So we got the 3 coordinate. Okay. So we got the coordinate of A point, D point and E point. So we can find the area of this triangle by formula of area of a triangle, and same way A, B, C we can find the area of this triangle also. Then we can find the ratio of these two. So let us calculate this one. Okay. So find the area of the triangle AB. Area of ADE is equals to, now already you know the area formula of area, half times x1. Now this is x1 by 1, x2 by 2 and x3 by 3. So what is x1? 4 into 23 upon 4 minus 20 upon 4 plus x2 13 upon 4. So 20 upon 4 minus 6 plus x3 19 upon 4. So you'll get 6 minus 23 upon 4. So find the area. What you will get? 1 upon 2. So 4 into 3 upon 4 plus 13 upon 4 into 6 4s are 24. This will become minus 24. This is minus 4 upon 4. That means minus 1 will come here. Plus 19 upon 4. And inside that 6 4s are 24. 24 minus 23. That means 1. So you will get 1 upon 4. So the area of this we will get, this to this cancel. 3 minus 13 upon 4 plus 19 upon 16. So you will get 1 upon 2. So take the LCM, 16. So what you will get in this? So we'll get the upon 1. 16 3s are 48 minus 4 4s are 16. So you will get 52 plus 19. So now solve this. You will get 1 upon 2. So this you will get, now solve it. Plus plus will set together. 8 to just 16. 1 17 plus 7 carry over 1 4 5 1 6 minus 52 upon 16. So this you will get 1 upon 2 into 5 15 upon 16. That means you will get 15 upon 32. So the area of triangle ADE is 15 upon 32. So let us find the area of now ABC. So similarly we can find the area of ABC. So remember this, you get 15 upon 32 the area of ADE. So this will get this was area of ADE. Okay. So now we will find the area of ABC by the same formula, half times. This is x1, this is x2, this is x3. This full triangle area we want to find. So this is 4 into 5 minus 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 6 plus 7 into 6 minus 5 is equals to 1 upon 2, 4 into 3 plus, you'll get minus 4 plus 7 into 1. So from here 1 upon 2, 12 minus 4 plus 7. So 1 upon 2 you will get 19 minus into 19 minus 4. So from here you will get 15 upon 2. So the area of ABC is 15 upon 2. So what you have to do? You have to compare the area of these two. So what we'll do now? So therefore area of ADE divided by area of ABC. So put the value 15 upon 32 whole divided by area of ABC 15 upon 2. So solve this, you will get 15 upon 32 into 2 upon 15. 15 to 15 cancel, 2 16 times. So 1 upon 16. So the comparison you will get 1 ratio 16. So this was your question number 6. Okay. So this was a little lengthy, but there is only calculation. You have to make your calculation strong, and a little mistakes just do. You will get a wrong answer by a little mistake. So see the coordinate carefully, what the coordinates you are writing. So for this video, this is enough. Thank you very much for this video. Please do like and share the video. Thank you very much.